Hey guys, in today's videos, I'll be introducing you to a new promotional project where you can mine your Doge coins for free. You heard me right. Your Doge coins for free. You understand? So, if it is your first time of coming across my channel, please do well to click the red button and subscribe. You understand? And also like, comment and share, because this channel will teach everything about making money online, how you can make money online, both free and paid ways. You understand? You can make money online. If this interests you, please kindly subscribe and watch this video till the very end, because you will benefit from it. And also to my old subscribers, I really appreciate for your likes, for your comments. Thank you very much. And also share this video to get to more people that want to make money online. To get through to this platform, all you have to do is to click the link on the description box area. Once you click the link, simply enter your email and password. Then you put your security password and click register. Once you click register, it will bring you here. Then you remove this. Yeah, click cancel. And now you'll be asking, what is this platform all about? Okay. So this platform is just buying a machine to increase your daily mining volume. You understand? You can also mine for free, but if you want to increase your daily mine volume, you have to buy your mining machine here. You understand? So once you come here, this platform will give you 0.1 Doge coins as a welcome bonus. You will also see this countdown. This is where countdown is, and you click this mining button to start mining. You understand? To start mining Doge coins. But if you want it faster, if you want your coins to mine faster, you understand, all you have to do is to buy mining machine in this platform. You get? All you have to do is to buy mining machine, and the minimum mining machine you can buy on this platform is 15 USDT. You understand? All you have to do is to click here, click on this upgrade, then you click on this production booster. If it is 50 USDT that you recharged, you can recharge more. You understand? Just so you know, the more you recharge, the higher you recharge, the more Doge coins you get. You understand? So let's assume that I want my Doge coins to be higher every day. If I recharge 15 USDT, I'll be getting 9.3 Doge coins. If I recharge 88 USDT, I'll be getting 50 Doge coins. If I'm to recharge 300 USDT, I'll be getting 200 Doge coins. You don't need to always come here and mine. You don't always need to come here and use your hand and start mining. No. All you have to do is to buy the mining machine. You understand? It will start mining for you. It's very simple as ABCD. Assuming if I want to buy the 50 USDT on, I will click here. I will click it. As you can see, I'll be getting 9.3 Doge coins. You understand? If I invested USDT, 15 USDT. If I invest 88 USDT, I'll be getting 50 Doge coins, which is very helpful. Before you know it, you know how Doge coins is rising now. It is fast rising coins. Before you know it, you will get many coins. You understand? For me, I recharge 15 USDT, and which is mining, and it's counting down. Before 24 hours, I'll get 9.3 Doge coins. You understand? Which is very well. So how do you recharge on this platform? What you have to do is to click on this me here. Is to click on this me here. Then click on the recharge button. It will bring you here. Choose on any of the wallets you want to make the payment. Then I'll click the 20 USDT and copy the address. You understand? Mine is loading. My network is very slow. And copy the wallet address. Once you copy it and go and make payment. Once you are done making payment, come back here and click recharge complete. The money will automatically drop on your wallet. Then, if you want to withdraw, all you have to do is to click on withdraw. If you want to use the 20 USDT 20 to withdraw, you can copy the wallet, paste it here, paste the amount you want to withdraw, put your security password. That security password you inputted when you were registering. So you input it there and click confirm. You understand? Money drops immediately, as an instant. It's not wasting time. So therefore, if you want to earn by checking in daily, all you have to do is to click this earn. It's loading. Then daily signing, you'll be getting 0.04 Doge coins. So if you follow their Telegram group, you'll be getting 0.03 Doge coins. You understand? So if you invite anyone that you invited, you'll be getting 9% of any money he or she inputted there. This is another way to earn on this platform. But you can also earn without inviting anybody. You understand? As we all know that Doge coins is fast rising coins now. So you can do well to come here, buy the machine and start mining now. And also note, I will not be held responsible of anything if anything happen on this platform. This is what I do here to earn my own money. If you know you can take the risk and ready to earn your money, please go ahead and do it. And if what I did, you like it and you find it, trusting, you can go ahead to do it. You understand? And also, this is not a financial advice. Always put what you can afford to lose in case of anything you get. Do well to like and subscribe to this channel. See you in my next video.